Hello and welcome back to OtherBuys. Today we've got a gardening product. We've got these advanced shears from Bosch. So these are the top of the range home wireless gardening shears. I got these because of the cool features on them, so I'm going to explain briefly some of the features and we'll have a look inside. So as I say, the advanced shear, the top of the range one. This one comes with a battery and you can buy it without a battery if you've already got a Bosch charger and a Bosch battery. So the battery that comes with this is about 2 amp one. Takes about 2 hours to charge, and if you're not doing any actual hedge trimming, will run for about 85 minutes, 100 minutes if you're not using it. But obviously if you're using it on the bushes, it will last a different amount of time. Also has this Syneon technology, so this is what affects the battery life. So in essence, if it's working harder, the shears, it will use more power. And if it's not using as much power, it will use less battery. So the idea is that the battery lasts longer off one charge. So this one comes with a battery and 2 shear attachments, one for grass and one for hedges. This is about 100 millimeters wide, and this one's 20, and this was 20 centimeters long. Weighs about 1.5 kilos with the battery in, 3-year warranty, which is great. And all the 18-volt Bosch batteries work with this system. So I've already got a battery, but I decided to get another one because I got this on sale in Amazon. It's about £95 with a battery, and usually they're about 115 with a battery, so it's a good price. And at the moment you can get this without battery for about £83 if you don't want one. Another feature it's got is the anti-blocking system. So what this is supposed to do is, if it sort of detects it's struggling with a branch, it will adjust the direction of the blades to help you get through. And the thickness of the blades, or the gap in between, is 8 millimeters. So that gives you an idea on the thickness of the branches that it can tackle. The blades are also laser cut and diamond sharpened. They should be really sharp. I don't think there's much else to tell you about that. So let's have a look inside. So, let's open this bad boy up. Don't forget to register your 3-year warranty. And if you want to get one of these, I'll pop a link in the description to get it from Amazon. I'll put one with the battery and one without the battery. And I'll also do the slightly lower, less premium product as well, which doesn't have a detachable battery, basically just charge the product. Not quite as premium. So let's have a look. Very well packaged. So here's the trimmer itself. It's already got the grass attachment on. See that there. And then inside we have some promo about their 18-volt battery system and how to register for the 3-year guarantee. So do that 4 weeks after purchase. So I need to do that in a couple of weeks. Safety information. And you've got a user manual in various different languages. And then the charger information. So let's have a look. Here. What's this? Very well packaged. There we go. So, ooh, not the camera. This is your charger. Tripod sorted. There we go, sorry about that. this is the charger. The battery slot's in there, plug that into the wall. It says it takes about 2 hours to charge. There's your 2 amp battery. That just slides in there. That'll flash when it's charging and it'll be solid when it's finished. Dead easy to attach this to the shears. Again, just line it up, slide it on. And then here is a battery indicator as well, which is really good, which will show you how much battery you've got left, so you know if you need to go and charge it or change the battery. And then to use it, you have to hold the trigger and press the button for a safety reason. So there you go. And right, so the other thing to show you is how to change the shears. So we'll get the other shears out. So here are the other shears. See, nice and sharp. And back in the case. I want to cut myself on those. So to detach the shears, just press these buttons down. Should slide straight off. There you go. Push them down, pull it off. So if you're out in the garden and want to swap between the grass ones and this one, really easy. That just pushes straight on. You don't even have to press the buttons. So there you go. So there you have it, the Bosch Advanced Shears. Now what I might do is give them a go in the garden, show you them in action, and see how I get on. So we'll catch that later on. Thanks very much, guys. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. And if you want to get these, check the link in the description and you can get them on Amazon. Thanks very much. See you later.